MMG company produce Morte Plus that consists of Madre Cacao, Macabuhay, and ginger plant. Madre Cacao is the main ingredients of Morte Plus and needs to soak for 24 hours to get the extract, and also the mixture of Macabuhay and ginger plant. Then, you may spray it to the crops. Morte Plus.
Good day. We're presenting a feasibility study of a low-cost natural pesticide made from the mixture of Madre Cacao, Macabuhay, and ginger plant. The presenter are Mr. Kim Dominic M. Aurelio and Ms. Alma B. Vicentino. Introduction. Define the problem. The main problems are the pests that can damage the crops of every farmer. According to Padmavati Makikanti in Nanobiopesticides, today and future perspective, crop damage from pathogens and pests is worldwide problem. Agriculture crop productivity has been severely affected by various pests. What are the problems trying to address? It is to kill all the pests that can damage all the crops that may cause a total product, income, demand, and supply. Why is it a problem? It is a problem since the pests damage every farmer's crop, resulting in low production and profitability. Why is it worth solving? It is also good for society to have a good demand and supply because it is the key problem that must be tackled promptly in order to have a good harvest and better revenue.
Objectives: to provide a low-cost and high-quality product to fulfill the needs of the customers. To prioritize the health and safety of the crops as well as the farmers itself. Research local. The study was conducted in San Pablo City, Laguna. Since the target respondents are the farmers, the researchers asked the representative of City Agricultural Office to gather data, and the office had a list of total registered farmers that will be used in sample size. Research sample. The study will be utilized Lowen's formula to obtain the sample size of 379 farmers of San Pablo, Laguna. It is the total number of respondents who will provide the needed information or data. Research design. The study will use qualitative approach of research employing descriptive method. This study will include the financial analysis to determine if this study is feasible. Basically, the descriptive will be used in the study to gather relevant information about the present existing condition of the study. Data will be gathered using interview.
Scope and delimitation. The main purpose of this research is to determine if the study is feasible in San Pablo City, Laguna. The researchers limited to the residents of San Pablo, Laguna, and it has 379 sample size from the different barangays of San Pablo, Laguna serve as the respondents for the study. SWOT analysis. This analysis contains the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and challenges of the product. The product has its own weaknesses such as new to market, lack of brand awareness, known competitors, and struggle to penetrate market. Therefore, the researchers imply different marketing strategies, including promotion like Facebook page and tarpaulin. In line with this, Morte Plus will be known by the market and also to the farmers as a result of this. Since the business is new to the market, it may face different challenges, which is major competitors and easily imitated. By that, the researchers applied patent to protect the process of the product that meets certain specifications according to its uniqueness and also to protect the invention up to 20 years. Product promotion, price, and place. The researchers come up with the brand name Morte Plus, wherein the term Morte is a French word which means dead, while Plus refers to the mixture of ginger, Macabuhay, and Madre Cacao. Promotion. The researchers implied a Facebook page and a tarpaulin to promote the product so it can penetrate to the market. Price. The price of Morte Plus 1 liter is 128 pesos. Place. The MMG company is located at Barangay Santissimo, San Pablo City, Laguna because this is where the highest number of farmers live. Major competitors. The researchers will gain 5% of market share due to the popularity of the provided insecticides product in the market, such as Malathion, Megatonic, with other independent sellers out of 100%. Figure 4. Major competitors. The result shows that in the major competitors, the highest percentage is 50%, which is the malothion, while the lowest percentage is the Morte Plus, which is 5%. Competitive advantage. In this industry, the researchers offered an affordable insecticides since the ingredients of the insecticides are all organic compared to its competitor that have chemical ingredients. Morte Plus are similar to the pulse of the customer and can deliver faster since we started as a small manufacturer. MMG company has additional advantage since there are few companies who produce organic insecticides than chemical insecticides. Target market. San Pablo City has a total population of 304,898 as of December 2020 and have a total registered farmer 7,392. The price of Morte Plus insecticides worth of 128 pesos, where they produce 68 pieces a day and 1,499 a month. The researchers decided to build a production site in Barangay Santissimo Rosario, where there are 122 farmers, the highest number of farmers in San Pablo City, according to City of Agricultural Office. Slovin's formula. N means sample size, big N means the total population, L is constant, and E means margin of error, which is 5%. The total population of registered farmers are 7,392, and 379 obtained, and it is the total respondents. Table 7. Computation of the demand. There are 7,392 total populations registered farmer in San Pablo City, Laguna, according to the City of Agricultural Office of San Pablo. Based on the result of the survey, 97% of them are using insecticides, 5% of them, or 359, are using 1 bottle. The 5% of them, or 359, are using 2 bottles. 7% of them, or 502, are using 3 bottles. 33% of them, or 2,366, are using 4 bottles, while 50% of them, or 3,585, are using 5 bottles in every month.
Supply and demand analysis. For the demand, which is 17,983, add for the assumption of 10%, while the supply, add also a 10%, and for the gap, 2026 to 2025 is 527, 2025 to 2024 is 480, 2024 to 2023 is 436, 2023 to 2022 is 360.
Production workflow. The number of MMG company employers are 12. The opening and closing times is within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. from Monday to Friday only. Flow of production. Raw materials of MMG company, which is Madre Cacao, Makabuhay, and Ginger, are from different suppliers. And also for the tools from plastic bottle to manufacturing corporation.
Organizational chart. MMG company has a structure led by the owner, followed by the direct labor consists of production helper and operator. And in indirect labor, it consists of technician, supervisor, utility worker, and porter. And in terms of selling, consists of driver, administrative, inventory staff, and office staff. Contribution. The owner of MMG company contribute of an amount of 100,000. Cost of goods manufactured. It is the calculation that is used to gain a general understanding of whether production cost. Year 1, 1,514,142 pesos. Year 2, 1,556,895 pesos. Year 3, 1,598,453 pesos. Year 4, 1,643,529 pesos. Year 5, 1,692,978 pesos. Income statement. Income statement, or the net earnings, which is a very useful statement for investor to assess how much revenue exceeds the expenses of an organization. For the year 1, 200,698 and 40 cents. Year 2, 385,129 and 40 cents. Year 3, 562,332 and 20 cents. Year 4, 751,276 and 40 cents. Year 5, 960,180. Changes in equity. It provides owners with financial information to make important business decision. For the year 1, 280,698 and 40 cents. For the year 2, 665,827 and 80 cents. Year 3, 1,228,160. Year 4, 1,979,436 and 40 cents. Year 5, 2,939,616 and 40 cents. Cash flow. The cash flow statement measures how well a company manage cash position, meaning how will a company generate cash to pay his debt obligation and manage operating expenses. Year 1, 97,127 and 40 cents. Year 2, 563,884 and 40 cents. Year 3, 1,155,187 and 80 cents. Year 4, 2,136,007. Year 5, 3,143,961 and 40 cents. Balance sheet. Financial position, which is the current balance of the recorded assets, liabilities, and equity of an organization. The purpose of this statement is to present true information about the company's assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. It helps to reveal the financial position of the company as a particular dates. For the year 1, 342,078 and 40 cents. Year 2, 777,382 and 40 cents. Year 3, 1,376,680 cents. Year 4, 2,170,695. And year 5, 3,177,227 and 40 cents. Financial analysis. Financial ratio analysis is one of the quantitative tools that business managers use to gather the valuable insights into a business, whether for profitability, solvency, efficiency, liquidity. It is important by making financial decisions for the business.
Conclusion. In terms of financial aspect, the annual demand of Morte Plus is 17,983, the market share is 5%, then the unit cost per bottle is equivalent to 85.9 and the selling price is 128 pesos. For the projected sales, the researchers have the assumption of yearly increasing by 10%. There are several recommendations for the business owners, for farmers, and for the future researchers. The recommendations of the researchers for the business owners is to secure the product and place, to develop more promotional strategies, and for the owner, take this study as an asset to meet the needs of the target customers and to increase their sales. For the farmers, the researchers recommended to use Morte Plus and to consider it in a view of the fact that it is safe for the crops. And last, for the future researchers, the researchers recommend to have a large sample to check the financial statement, to build a unique business, and to conduct face-to-face interview to get more information and allowing for the follow-up questions.
These are some products that may proven that Morte Plus main ingredients, which is madre cacao, can kill pests like fleas and ticks. These are one of the pests that can damage the crops. Rosemary Tan is the one who invented the Madre de Cacao healing soap. Boying Alferez is sales manager at Agro Advance International Philippine Incorporation. This company used Madre Cacao as their practices for the trial to their crops, and according to him, Madre Cacao is one of the best weapon to kill the different kinds of pests. Camulong's Farm is one of the organization in Sariaya, Quezon. This farm invented different kind of product, insecticides, pesticides, fertilizer, inorganic. Some of their ingredients invented are madre cacao, makabuhay, and ginger. They conduct an experiment and try to the crop if it is effective. Romulo Ayag is the name of the founder of Camulong's Farm.